What's up, BELLEX gang? It's yours truly, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on my son's hair. It's for beginners because, I'm not a pro yet, so you guys have to bear with me. But anyways, yes, he is going to a birthday party later on, so I decided I should just do a tutorial today just to give you guys a little insight on how I do his dreads. So, yep, this is it. This is what it looks like right now. I just washed it, put a lot of conditioner, so it's nice and clean. I gotta dry it up. And, yep, I guess we're gonna get started. Look at him, he's so cute. All right, so let me just fix this camera here. All right, so I'm just gonna dry it up a little bit. It's a little damped. Look at his smile. I had to put his chair down a little. Okay, all right. So first, I usually use the Shea Moisture just to moisturize his hair, just so his scalp don't be dry. I usually use an oil. I forgot what it's called again. I gotta get the name, I forgot, but I usually use this oil, but I ran out, so this is just gonna do for now. All right, moisturizing his hair. All right, so we're gonna start from bottom and we will work our way up. So now I have to tie up his hair just to get those hair out of the way. And what I use to lock his hair is the Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Gel. All right, so now I'm gonna use this rat tail comb. I had to give him the phone just so he could be distracted. I'm gonna part it, and whatever hair that is tangled up, I cut it off because when you do pull on his hair, it hurts, and I don't want to hurt my baby. So we're gonna cut it off. Yeah, so we're gonna cut it off. We're gonna part it and then cut off whatever that's tangled up. Okay, I'm just gonna show you how. And there you go, just like that. Nice and straight. The sides. Sorry, baby. Then I'm gonna put the gel and then twist. That's all you gotta do, is just twist it. Don't twist it for too long because it'll be too tight. Yeah, just like that. This is how I do it. I don't know how everyone else does it, but this is how I do it. And yep, there goes Riley. So guess what? Look at her. You can tell she wants something from me. Do another one. Just gotta do cut it. And you're good to go. Alright, let me give this girl a phone so she could just give mommy some time. There, here. Set her on her way. Yes, so this is what I do. All I do is just part it, cut whatever that's tangled up, make it nice and neat, and put gel and twist. That's all. So it's really repetitive, so I'm just gonna let the video go, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Just enjoy the music and I'll point out some more important things. But right now, all I'm doing is just parting them and twist. That's all. So yeah, we'll talk soon. All right, okay, so I'm done with the back. See, it's all twisted up, nice and neat, nice and clean. So now this is where it gets messy. These are the new growth, and yeah, I gotta part them. It's like doing his hair all over again. All I gotta do is just part them. And yeah, do the same thing. Part and twist, part and twist. Part, cut, and twist. That's what it is. Part, cut, and twist. Yeah, so I'm gonna let the video go on again. And I'll be right back. I feel like this is the easiest part, and I usually do this nice and neatly because you know it's the front of his hair. I usually take my time. So I'm all done. This is it, you guys, and I'm just gonna let it air dry until later on when he has to go to the party. So this is the finishing touch, the finishing product, whatever you want to call it. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I take criticism very well, so I don't mind a little critique. So let me know how I did with Arion's hair. If I need to work on a little bit more things, yeah, just let me know down below. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and follow all our social media down below. Until next time, you guys, bye.